In this problem, they tell us that a pool measuring 14 meters by 18 meters is surrounded by a path of uniform width, which just means that all the widths are the same all the way around. So we have X, 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 and X. And if the area of the pool and the path combined is 1,292 square meters, what is the width of the path? Now they give us the width of the entire pool and path combined, and that's 18 plus 2x, and the length, or, whichever order, doesn't matter, is 14 plus 2x. Okay. So I'm going to say that the area of that pool and path is 14 plus 2x times 18 plus 2x. But we also know that the area is equal to 1,292 square meters. So if I FOIL this 14 plus 2x times 18 plus 2x, let's see what we get. So 14 times 18 is 252. The outer would be 14 times 2x, and that gives me 28x. The inner is 2x times 18. That would be a plus 36x. And then the last is 2x times 2x, which is 4x squared. Okay. So now I can say that this is equal to this. So I'm going to write the first part in descending order. I have 4x squared. I can combine the 28x and the 36x, and that will give me 64x plus 252. Okay, so this came over here, and that equals 1,292. Okay, so let's subtract 1,292 from both sides. These numbers are just not fun. 4x squared plus 64x minus 1,040 equals 0. Now, I do have a 4 in common to all of these terms, so I'm going to factor that out to make the numbers a little smaller. So I have 4 times x squared plus 16x minus 260. It's a little better. I'm going to go ahead and use the quadratic formula. So A is equal to 1, B is equal to positive 16, and C is equal to negative 260. Okay, so according to the quadratic formula, x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, and that's all over 2a. So this would be a negative 16 plus or minus square root of 16 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 260. And that's all over 2 times a, which is 1. Okay, I'm going to put this into my calculator, and I get negative 16 plus or minus the square root of 1,296. That's all over 2. make a little space here. Okay, so this is going to be negative 16 plus or minus 36. So square root of 1,296 is 36. And I can say that this is equal to negative 16 plus 36 over 2, or negative 16 minus 36 over 2. But x is the width of our walkway. So we know that that has to be a positive value. 36 minus 16 is 20. Divide by 2, and we get 10. So that looks like a good answer. Here, negative 16 minus 36 gives me a negative 52 over 2. So we know that can't be the right answer. It can't be negative 26. That doesn't make any sense in the problem. So the width of our walkway is 10 meters. And that's our final answer.